So this is very important, right? Now let's move on to number 16. At a crossing, you have to give the right of way to oncoming traffic if you like to turn right. B, you have right of way over pedestrians. C, the driver may decide to change a stop signal to a yield signal if there isn't any traffic. So at a crossing, you have to give the right of way to oncoming traffic if you like to turn right. So the road rule states that you should not turn right in front of oncoming traffic. So if you are at a crossing, you have to give the right of way to traffic that is oncoming before you turn right. So I want you to note that, okay? Now moving on to number 17. You are not permitted to stop, option A, where you are also prohibited to park. B, 5 meters from a bridge. C, opposite a vehicle where the roadway is 10 meters wide. So the correct answer there is B. So this is to ensure that traffic doesn't get clogged up on or before the bridge, because the bridge is naturally a clog point. Therefore, parking 5 meters from the bridge is likely to further cause a hold up. So you are not permitted to stop 5 meters from a bridge. Okay? Number 18. When are you permitted to drive on the shoulders of the road? Anytime if you like to overtake another vehicle. No, this is incorrect, because we cannot overtake a vehicle on the shoulders of the road. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Only during the day if you like another vehicle to overtake you. Well, this is correct. Remember, we talked about if you like a vehicle to overtake you, first you should reduce speed and not increase your vehicle speed, and also drive as far left as possible, right? So you can drive on the shoulders of the road if you like another vehicle to overtake you. This is correct, right? Now the third one, you are permitted to drive on the shoulders of the road if you'd like to drive slower than 100 kilometers per hour on a freeway. So this is incorrect, right? Now the fourth one, if you have a flat tire and you need to stop in order to change the tire. So this is correct, right? If you have a flat tire, you can drive on the shoulders of the road in order to stop so that you can change that flat tire. So the correct answer here is B. You are only allowed to drive on or stop on the shoulders of the road in emergencies or during the day when you are trying to give another vehicle chance to proceed past you or to overtake you. Okay? Number 19. Your vehicle's headlamps should be switched on, option A, at any time of the day when you cannot see person or vehicle 150 meters in front of you. That's very correct, right? So you can switch on your vehicle lights if you cannot see vehicles or person 150 meters in front of you. From sunset to sunrise, that's also very correct, right? So you can switch on your vehicle lights, the headlights, from sunset to sunrise. The third one, when it rains and you cannot see vehicles 100 meters in front of you, that's also correct. So the correct answer there is all of the above, C. Let's move on to the last question of the day. Your lights are there to ensure that you have a good vision and also to indicate to other vehicles that there is a car on the road in times where visibility is not clear. So if there is no visibility on the road, you are welcome to switch on your lights to indicate to other drivers of your presence and also to see other drivers. Okay, now let's move to the last question of the day. You cannot, option A, have passengers in the vehicle if you only have a learner's license. B, leave your vehicle unattended while the engine is running. C, drive in reverse for more than 100 meters. So you cannot leave your vehicle engine running unattended, because this can cause engine problem and increase wear on the engine, and is also a sitting duck for car thieves, because car thieves may take advantage. So you cannot leave your vehicle engine running for long. Well guys, that's the end of this video. If you really enjoyed this content, please do make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel so that you get more of this. Remember, we still have a lot to cover, so do make sure that you don't miss any of our next video. So thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you later in the next video. Goodbye.